Hi folks, welcome to my channel. So we are going to unbox the IFB oven. So it's a two-way, so it can be grilled and as well as a heating purpose. So many purposes there. So let's unbox quickly. So what is the provided items and what how it looks. So we will check now. So if you see the product, right, it's this box is available. In this big box they are providing the IFB oven total set. So along with that they are providing few cooking sets which is useful, like this small box if you see here on the top. So they are providing these all details, products. So if you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 products, they are shown in the picture. So let's see how the purpose of these products also they have given here. See, so they have given in each names and their purpose, so they have cleanly explained us. So they have given one booklet as well, see here. So regional wise cooking main cooking styles they have provided with along with the English language as well as the region languages. It's Gujarati style means the local language they have given. If it's Andhra style means they will provide you the Telugu language. If it's some other locations like this, okay. So Kerala means their local language they have given like this. So with along with the English language. So it's 500 rupees cost as it's showing here. 96 pages are provided here. So this is the free of the cost. So it's around 950 rupees of product is given for free by purchasing this IFB oven. So these are the inputs. So I am showing one side of the product IFB machine, and this is the second side of the product. So here they are giving the details of this product. So how much capacity it can is 23 liters, along with the size of the weight of the product is 17 kgs, okay, around 18 kgs we can say. So these are the inputs. So here the dimension of the box. So how to handle and what is the purpose. 10 microwave power levels, grill, we can do grill and combination functions, stainless steel cavity material, convection functions, and auto cook menu also available, child safety lock also available, pull type model handle doors are provided here. So the number, this is the model name number. So this is also here. If you see this item, the model number is written on the door. So let's quickly open this box. So what is inside? So yeah, just open here. Hold on. So let's open this box first. Yeah, now if you open this, see here. So we got big size one. This is spoon, we can use it as for serving purpose as well. So okay, this is fine. Let's put it down. And one more is this we can be used for cooking rice and where cooking any item, curry items, anything up to 1500 ml, I hope so. So something inside also there. Let's open it. And if you see this product, right, this is like useful for papad and roasting roti, as you know. This can be useful like this. Yeah, this product it's coming with idli maker also. So we can put idli in this and we can heat in this and we can get the idlis. It's too easy. If you remove this, then we can cook in this also, like this. So they have given one more item is 500 ml box cup. So we can measure its ml size. They have given cups. So these are the scales they have given. So quickly we can use it and we can do it. And so this is 1 2 3 This is one more item we have here. We can here reheat and everything we can do here. In this we can cook items in this. This is also one more item they have given. So these are the extra items they have provided. So I don't know what is inside of this big machine, big tool oven. Let's open this one also, then we can get to know what is inside. Okay, let's open it. And yeah, it's purchased for my home, so I don't know so how to use it properly. I don't know. So today the technician will come and he will tell me, he will guide me how to use it and everything. So this is the cover, we have to take it out. And this is the IFB machine, if you see here, oven. Let's pull it outside. So 17 gauges, it's a little bit heavy. So yeah, this is the IFB oven. If you see here, it's showing the 3 years warranty on it, and cleaning by stream. So there is an option for cleaning itself. So these functions also available, so many functions. So we have timer also in this. So if you see the back side, so how it looks in backward direction. So this is for cooling purpose, I hope so. From bottom and top also it is cooling. This is the place where we need to use for cold. Nice stand. If you rotate this a little bit, yeah, fine. To activate warranty registrations, we need to call maybe. Yeah, they have given some inputs from here. Some color attached here. I don't know what is there. Let's go for the next. So they have given the timer also. It's we can give in minutes, hours, like this, seconds. Okay, minutes. If you click on 10 minutes, it will increase 10 times. It's one by one. If you want to increase it, we have to select this. In seconds also 10 by 10. If you want to increase this button, we have to press it. And such cakes, if you want to do it, okay, reheat by option. So there is inbuilt options is available, which purpose we need to do, and we can use those irrespective of the mode. We can directly click on the options, so don't need to select the timer manually. So there is a grill option also available, so we can grill the chicken also in this. So these are the box details. So what is provided inside, I will check now. Let's peel it out. Yeah, so if you open it, right, so it's so much, 1 inch, so 1 inch thin, this one. So it's a locking system also available, child lock system also available. And some glue is coming out of from this box, I don't know what is this. So let's see what is inside. One by one we can take it out. So one product is like it's having instruction, manual book is there given. Next item is like it's lock. So this is the part. 23 liters only we can heat in this one. So along with that they have given 2 more of these items. It's hard to peel it out. Let's take it easy manner. Let's see. Okay. Okay, they have given glass item. We have to be more careful while using this. Placed in wrong direction. No, This is correct. Why this is, I don't know. This is the pizza pan we have to heat. If you want, then we have to place this one. We can heat the pizza panel. So I don't know, something is wrong with this one item. So something it will rotate like this, so I need to see the details. So we can grill this using this option, so we can put the chicken in the top and bottom also. It looks like this. So yeah, so we can place these two inside. How many items if you have, we can place in this direction, and we can heat the items. Yeah, that's it. What is the input inside of the box? I have shown you everything. So these are the things, and how to use and everything I will show in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the video, subscribe the channel, and like the video. Thanks.